how to log into the same WhatsApp account on 4 phones. I get my iPhone and also Android phone. First of all, we have to uninstall a WhatsApp from the another device where we have to link the primary WhatsApp. So Android phone is secondary account and iPhone will be the primary one. So after uninstall, we have to reinstall the WhatsApp from Play Store. So you can observe the timing and also date over here on the screen recordings. After installation, open the app, select the language and tap on arrow button. Later, agree and continue. Allow notification, tap on 3 dots on the right top, link to existing account. Later, we have to pick the primary phone and we have to scan the QR code that is showing on the Android. Let me open WhatsApp in my iPhone and scan this. So it is logging in. Android phone got my all WhatsApp chats over here. If you want to someone to log out, just tap on that Android option and you can log out from the red option. You can observe the same messages coming over here. Like this, you can add 4 phones on the same WhatsApp account. To log out, you have to tap on 3 dots and go to accounts and tap on logout and confirm the logout.